Good morning mga repa, mga mams. Yeah, it's a cold morning today. By the way mga repa, mga mams, no? Dito nga pala yung Airbnb na nirent natin dito sa Alexandria, together with other family, Kuya John, Tita Lala, Kuya Luke. So yan, parang walang tao ko, isama tayo lang na.
I'm famous.
Ayan, see? Yan ang ating. Ang ganda pala ng Airbnb pagka ano, Tita Lala, pagka may ilaw. So yan, we're ready to get to our journey today. Saan kaya yan? Abangan nyo mga repa, mga moms, no? So another exciting. Today is December 31, 2025, the last day of this year. So yan, we're gonna celebrate our Christmas Eve, Christmas tuloy, New Year's Eve here in Alexandria. I don't know what the plans are. So sila mami tsaka si Atrala nagplano. So let's see. So tingnan natin kung saan tayo pupunta ngayon mga repa, mga moms. And I hope you enjoy this video vlog. And of course, siyempre, Happy New Year to everyone. Yan, kasi December 31 na, no? Exciting. Hello, look. Are you ready for our adventure? Twins, where are you? Wave guys. Alright.
Hi!
New Year's Eve.
New Year's
Day.
Day.
Ay, New Year's Eve, di ba? Ayan, for a change, okay? Team Joe Live and Team Liberial collab.
I'm
guys.
famous!
Cute nila love.
Let's go.
Partner na ng sapatos mo.
Kaya nga sabi ko,
Tesla. Hey guys, where are you going, guys?
Naghahanap ako ng akin. Kaso walang size ko.
Pupunta tayo dito. Unang stop natin dito sa, ano ba to, Kois?
Merong size.
Masonry Building. Ano ba yan?
Merong size.
George Washington Mason. So siya yata nag-pound na yan eh. Baka si George Washington nag-pound yan.
8
Masonic. Yan. Yan na ba yung ano yan? Parang libre naman, Kois. Oh, ito pala yung loob, oh. Got here, daming tao ngayon dito, ah. Let's see. Ito yung kaya lang ano, no? Parang emblem ng ano, masonry. Walang signage na sobrang famous. Daming tao dito ngayon mga repa. I don't know, marinig nyo ako, hindi ko nadala yan ako microphone. But people are, dancing. Everyone is happy. And this one is Makabayan. George Washington. Show. Wow, there's a lot of people here. They're playing Legos here. Yeah! Natan, Jaden! Jaden, taga. Nagpicture sila kay George Washington sa monument niya. Yan. The kids. Look at their background. It's the Capitol. See? Baka ito yung dating Congress. Nabukanan. Ito yung labas ng building ng Masonic. Ang ganda ng view. It's like city view. Kahit konti makita ng city view, di ba? Let's see. Parang ganda. George Washington Masonic National Memorial. This is the National Historic Landmark. Yan o. Yung niya. See? Oh wow, this is the view. Oh, let's go. Dito na tayo sa Old Alexandria. Ayan, maganda mga bahay dito. Ang cute nila, oh, colorful. Tapos cute basta ang ganda tingnan. Yan, ito Alexandria. Old Alexandria nga kung tawagin. Parang napakapayak lang na ano. Pero ito pa lang Historic Alexandria Foundation. So, 1799. Nakalagay dito yung mga yung mga bahay and then kung gaano sila katanda. Ang tanda ng bahay na yun 1799. Yung bahay na to. 1799 yung bahay na yon. May nakalagay siya na mga emblem. Tapos nakalagay kung anong year na yung bahay. 1799, no?
Oh my goodness, ilang taon na. Kaya nga old town talaga.
Old town pala talaga. Hello, Wing Ming. Happy New Year. Ayan, mga bahay dito. Ayan, kita nyo, di ba? That's what houses look like here sa Old Alexandria. Oh, ito, may emblem na naman, How many years na to?
What, Daddy? When does this town?
Ay, may ganyan naman.
When does this town name?
Old Town Alexandria.
When does this town name?
Ha?
When does this town name?
Oh, very long time, nak. Maybe 1700s. Because we saw one infrastructure. It was built 1700s, right?
I should 1400.
Yeah, it's Old Town. Itong poster na to, parang tingin ko 100 years old na rin to. Dami ng pako, Medyo tayo. Binati ko na magandang umaga yung kanya. Kala ko morning pa eh. Lakad tayo dito mga repa, mga mams. First night Alexandria. Yun. Lamig. Sobrang old, pati bangko old na rin. Old style lahat dito. May establishment. Pati yung mga lagay ng mailbox luma na.
Daddy!
We're going. Ito, hotel na yan. Oh. Ito, coffee shop na lang, boys.
New York dirty.
Ha?
Is New York dirty?
Not all.
New York?
Happy hour. This is also a restaurant.
Dirty? Is New York dirty?
No, it's not. It's also a restaurant, napaka-cozy, Ang ganda. Sa punumain dun, Meron ka pang parang hibachi. Parang ganda kumain dito, napaka-cozy. Masaya maglakad dito siguro lalo na pagka summer mga repa kasi ang dami magandang lugar. Mayroon din Lululemon dun, Lululemon. Nakakamiss talaga itong troll na to, Libre kaya mapunta yan dito sa waterfront. Doon yung waterfront. Tulo pa. May chipotle na nga dito sige, tayo. Ha? King Street. Ayun, Ayun, medyo malamig talaga, Ay.
Lamig.
Lamig ba? Hello!
Hi!
Welcome to Old Town Alexandria! Ito na yung part na maraming tao, maraming kainan, maraming amenities, as you can see. Diba? At biglang from kanina walang tao, kami lang lalakad. Ngayon, boom! Diba? Ang ganda. Dami ng tao. Oh, meron pa. Oh. Yes! Oh, do you want this one? Oh, falafel. May falafel dito for the Middle Eastern. So this is what's inside here. This is a Thai place. This is a good place, Cozy and warm, Hello. Let's see here.
You go muna there.
Yeah, we got some good place here. Diba? Ganda pala loob na, no? See what's inside. They're still organizing. Ganda ng loob, no? Cozy, no? Tapos warm, nice. Nice, so maganda dito. Ang pangalan ng ano to? Thai signature. Okay. We will order now, okay? Ito na yung mga bata. Ang ganda ng ano, di ba? Ang lighting nila, oh. Nakakapogi talaga yung yellow lighting.
Dito, teka.
Nagutom na ang mga chikiting. Okay, they are the first ano na nila. First bite na nila yung kanilang appetizer. What's that? How would you rate? How is it?
It's vegetable, it's healthy.
How
Tita Lala will be happy.
How hungry you are? How hungry you are?
It's vegetable.
Ha? As chikiting, tinggal-tinggal yung mata, oh. Magutom na. Hindi pwede magutom sila, no? Ayan, ano to? Crab tiger. Crab.
naman ako siya.
Hindi, kain yan. Crab tiger. Try mo, Han. Crab tiger. How's it? It's a crab tiger. There's a tiger inside. Ano man? Crouching? Crouching tiger. Cry tiger. Yan, mga bata.
Sa Cebu yan ate, nakalagay na yan sa ano.
Tonkatsu.
Sa
Ay,
coconut
see?
leaves. Wala naman kasi yung dito.
Sarap.
Kanilagay na lang sa plastic.
Ayos, okay dito.
Sa Thailand.
We're done eating, guys. And we're gonna go to the theater wherein there is a magic show. At ano, medyo dumidilim na at the lights are up. The lights are up in the city. So ayan, it's King Street here in Old Town, Alexandria. Ayan na itsura niya. And by the way, it's only like 5 p.m. Medyo madilim na siya. We're here na sa ano, sa ayan, pinipilahan pa itong theater na to. Ano ba ito ko? Isa na? Magician? Magician? Magic and... Ano, magic? Okay. Hello, Jaden. Hi.
Yeah.
Ayan, so, ayan, pila tayo dito. It's a 5 p.m. show. 5:10 na, pero hindi pa kami nakapasok. So, they're not starting yet for sure. Haba nun. Nga pala, yung mga ano, Han. Paano nalaman dito yung mga events, yung mga activities? Tapos lahat na yon. How much is that?
Yung the whole ano.
Hindi kasi for the benefit of my watcher ba?
$10 daw.
Lahat na yon?
Oo, per head.
Per head, okay. Tapos may mga certain activities?
Oo.
Okay.
May link, daddy, kasi open mo lang yung link.
Anong link na yon?
Yung link mismo, pag nag-purchase ka ng ticket.
Ano ba tawag doon?
I-ano natin, minsan ilagay natin
Lagay
sa
natin
comment.
Sige. Comment box na lang. Kasi marami talaga activity dito. Especially lang ba siya sa ano? Christmas? During holidays. Ito.
Kung araw na to.
Okay. Magican. Mike Rose. Magic and weird stuff.
So, do you want to see something you've never seen before?
Yes, magic kind of guy.
Okie doke. There it is, something you've never seen before. Rope. Smell that? Oh, hey, you like card tricks?
Yes, magic kind of guy. Yes, magic kind of guy. Yes.
So instead,
Did you enjoy the magic show?
Yes, magic kind of guy. What's up?
It's okay. It's accident. Yes, magic kind of guy. Napansin lang namin, no, itong mga bahay na to parang wala talagang mga tao. Pero meron siyang decoration sa loob, so ginagawa siya ng gobyerno. Ganon?
For viewing that, diba?
For viewing. So, kakaiba pala dito ha. May bahay pero walang nakatira. Papalatrala kung ano, bigyan ka ng challenge. Saan ako dyan, pumasok ka dyan. Solo. O tama nga, wala kang tao sa loob, no? For viewing lang, no? Ay, ito naman, no? Talaga ba? Ay, may TV sa loob. Ano masabi mo doon? Ay, no. Restaurant yun. Ito na mga mga tsura yan, no? Paggabi, oh. Kulay na. Ganda na kulay sa gabi. Yan ba yung libreng bus, guys? Ah, ito yung Kingstown ba ito? Ah, nandito tayo galing, di ba? Ganda na, no? Ang ganda, oh. Ang kulay, oh. Maramdaman mo ang pagkaano, kapaskuhan. Parang nasa Tennessee ka lang. Makulay din, oh. Ang ganda rito mag-spend ng Christmas, New Year, Happy Holidays mga moms. Malapit lang to sa atin, sa Virginia, Alexandria. It's just only an hour and a half, 2 hours max mula sa Richmond. Ang ganda. I got you, man! Alright, man! I got you! It's okay. He's professional. Go, flip it. Yeah. Ano ala? Oh. Sabi ko na scam eh. Na-scam tayo. Na-scam tayo. Na-scam tayo, guys. Akala ko, ano man, sino ba yung ano, si Tomahawk ba yan? Sino ba yung Tony Hawk? Yung pala, Tony Falcon. Ay, masarap to. Okay naman pala kahit pala lamigin kayo. Hindi na bukod sa, yan, kita nyo, dumami ang kapal na tao, ano? Meron namang painit. Ayan, you can warm yourself here sa mga ganyan. It reminds me of Saudi Arabia. Saan tayo punta? Ito, painit tayo. Gusto nyo? Hot chocolate. Ay, beach na ba yan?
Yan yung riverfront eh.
Grabe. Ito pala, dito ko na tayo, oh. Kuys. Ayan, tayo ka lang dito.
Mainit na.
Oo, di ba? Meron ka naman yan. Tayo ka naman, eh. Oh. Nang ano, para malalamig ka na. Di ba? Ayan guys, so dito na tayo sa riverfront. Waterfront ang tawagin nila, pero river kasi ang Potomac River yan eh. Ang daming tao. See, everyone's coming here kasi malapit na yung ano, yung fireworks. Dalawa kasi yung fireworks, 7 PM and then yung ano nga, yung New Year's, yung ano na, New Year na. So, dito tayo. What's this one? Ah, ito na yung warming bus. Diba? Ano to? Where this one goes?
Just a
warming bus? Okay, that's good. Alright.
Yeah, you guys go ahead.
Where are we now, Dito? We are in a warm bus. Okay. Because in about 2 minutes and a half, the fireworks will
Well, I
start,
don't have a
right?
seat, bud. I'm standing.
In it?
There's not enough seats.
Here in Old Town of... Where? Old Town of... Alexandria. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
There's a lot of people, right?
Yeah.
We are ready to
We have 2 minutes until
for the
big
fireworks. 2
moment.
minutes
And
again
what I'm gonna
for the
ask
big
is
bowl.
when we get close, when
Big
there are about
ball
12
drop.
seconds left,
Honey,
I'm gonna need
Honey,
everyone's
Honey,
help to do a
Honey.
major countdown. Do you guys
Hon?
think you could help me with that?
2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
All right.
30 seconds, 30 seconds.
All right. Are you ready? 15,
Ready, 15,
14,
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Woo-hoo! So ayan mga repa, na ano na tayo. Han, Happy New Year my love. Okay, year 2026. Thank you so much 2025 for all the experience, challenges, and of course the blessings, the Lord. And we will welcome, Team Liberal will welcome the 2026. Open arms, with a lot of opportunity, new family, new friends, of course new blessings, and of course having deeper relationship, of course, with our faith, and the Lord and Savior.
Sister Lala,
So, yeah.
I'm gonna look at hot chocolate, please.
Okay, daming tao. There's a lot of people here.
Sister Lala.
Dami. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone!
Buong taong kakulot!
Welcome, welcome.
Happy New Year, Daddy!
Happy New Year, guys! Ayos, Ginger Ale! Happy New Year, Happy New Year! Ginger Ale, ah. Ito, Ginger Ale. Ginger... Kaya pala bumili ka, Ginger Ale.
Happy New Year!
Ready?
New Year! Oh, cheers! Cheers! Happy blessed New Year!
That's a Titan 6! Yes!
Happy New Year.
The next day.
Oh, cold afternoon na naman mga repa, mga moms. So, nakita nyo yung building na yan. The first day of the year. At mamamasyal ang Team Liberal at Team Jualay ba? Saan kaya pupuntahan namin? Pamilyar ba kayo sa building na yan? Later, you will see.
I actually crunched it,
What?
candy. I actually crunched it.
It's okay. See? There you go. Sumisilip na siya. Diyan tayo pupunta mga repa, mga moms. Today. Okay, let's go. Here, yan mga repa, MGM Hotel. Let's go inside.
What is this?
Push the slow.
Is it a hotel?
Yeah, go ahead. See
Why
Sri
what's a
Ramaners.
hotel? Are you just exploring?
No, I'm gonna explore inside. Go inside, hon. Right. This is what MGM looks like from the inside. Hello, mga repa, mga mom show, see? They are still on decorations. Ang ganda, oh.
Kaya nga.
Oh, wow. This is nice.
There's even a restaurant. I'm confused.
Oh. Laki ng MGM, no? Sa ano pa lang to? Lobby pa lang to, ah. This MGM is very big. What does MGM means? Search nga natin mga repa. Hindi rin namin alam eh. Search natin. Pwede pala pumasok siya ng walk-in dito, no? No problem at all. Wala akong bayad. So, feel free to come here walk-in. Meron ding free parking area. Kanina, hindi ko na napakita. May free parking space dito. You don't need to pay for it as well. So, ito, oh, daming tao dito mga repa. That's so huge! Looks like, see, there's a kid. There's a kid going up on the ladder. Ang dami. Picture daw tayo. Laki snowman ito. Ito yung malaking nutcracker. Tangkad. Ang tangkad ng nutcracker ito. So, pas tayo dito mga repa sa The District. Yan, may Ginger. May casino, pero hindi tayo pass doon. So, dito naman ako puro mga bag and shoes, MCM. Okay. So, there's a long line here in Ginger. Ayan, no? See you? Mga bag. Pwede tayo maglakad dito pala, oh. Parang mall na rin siya, no? Okay. Alright. Ayan, no? Kung ano gusto nyo mapasyalan, mapasok ng MGM. Like I said, no? Okay, pwede. Ay, MGM pa lang ang repa is Metro Goldwyn Mayer. Yung parang mga sa mga film and they are known with their ano, symbol na lion. May mga restroom din. Ayun, ulit tayo mga repa. Ang laki nga na to, sa Palace Cinderella. Look at this, oh. For Cinderella. Meron din pala dito Shake Shack mga repa.
Shakes, fries, custard.
May Shake Shack din siya.
Burgers,
Meron din palang ano, tawag dito, food court, di ba?
custard roll.
Okay din pala. So, gusto nyo kumain, meron. Meron din bento. Bento dito. Bread and butter. And then noodle bar. Ayun si Joshua, tumatawag na. Papas, dami pagkain. Sagutin ko na. Alright, nagutom na ang Team Joaliba. Meron kayong Naruto ramen. Ayan, at ang kambal ay walang kasawa-sawang. Ano tawag dyan? Chicken fingers. At si Hana ay gatas lang. Meron kami bagong casting. Ayan, si Hana. Hello, Hana. Happy birthday! Happy New Year! Wala si mami niya, si Brother Josh lang. Ito ay steakhouse. In this place, yeah. See, there's a library here. Yeah, there's a steakhouse. There's full of people there.
It's
MGM Rewards Promotions.
Steakhouse is very
Look at that.
popular. Right, Daddy?
Nice. Nice place, right?
Nice.
Oh, look at this, oh. Ooh. Can you take a video of me there? Wait. Wow. MGM. MGM Finest. Ito, oh. Ito yung labas nito, oh. Ganda, oh. Wow, medyo magagabi na nga lang. Alas 5 na eh. Ano yan? Overlooking yan, Josh? Galing ah. Mapakita nyo dito. Ang ganda ng ano, ng ulap po. Skyline, no? Ito pa, ang ganda. Wow, makikita nyo pa doon yung parang London Eye.
Kayo muna, kuya. Kayo muna. Look, nasa ka na.
So mga repa, no, that wraps up our Alexandria trip. Napakaganda ng trip namin dito sa MGM. At least nagkaroon kami ng side bet na picture dito, no. So yeah, thank you so much 2025 for the opportunity.
I'm famous.
The opportunity, for the blessing, for every blessings that we had last year, and we welcome you 2026 for another opportunity, blessing to our family, good health, and a lot of amazing things, a lot of love, blessings coming from our Lord Jesus Christ. So yan mga repa, mga moms, Happy New Year, prosperous New Year to you and your family. We wish you a happy New Year and a lot of more blessings and good health to each every one of us. So thank you so much for watching. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you love this video, and happy New Year from Team L'Oreal.